You are going to love the 2012 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.